Hi students, let's see the second example 4.2 grade 9 NCERT physics. Sarang takes 50 seconds to swim from one end to the other end and back in the swimming pool shown. Find his average speed and average velocity within the time interval of 50 seconds. So what is the given question? The Sarang takes 50 seconds to swim from one end to the other end. So consider this is a swimming pool and he starts traveling from one end to the another end and he is coming back in 50 seconds. The total time taken to go from one end to the another end, and then he is returning from the other end to the starting point. He has taken 50 seconds in total to go back, means to reach the starting point. He has taken 50 seconds. This is the given one. So another thing what they have asked, average speed and average velocity. So we have to find out what is the total distance and total displacement to find out the average speed and average velocity. So what is the given? The total distance traveled by Sarang in 50 seconds is 50 meter. Why I have taken 50 meter? Because in the figure it is given like 25 meter is the length of the swimming pool. So he has started from one point, reached the other end, and then he is returning back in 50 seconds. So the total distance traveled by Sarang is 25 meter plus 25 meter. Totally 50 meter. So what is the displacement? He started from one end, he went to the another end and he has returned back to the starting point. So what is the displacement? Displacement is nothing but the shortest distance covered by the object. Here the shortest distance is 0 because he has started from one end, reached the another end and he has returned back to the same point. So same point means what is the displacement? The displacement covered by Sarang in 50 seconds is 0 meter because the object remains at the same place after 50 seconds. So what is the total displacement? Displacement is 0. What is the distance? Distance, he went from one end to the another end, so 25 meter. Then he has returned it from the another end to the original point, which is nothing but again 25 meter. So 25 meter plus 25 meter is the total distance covered by Sarang, which is nothing but 50 meter. So what is the formula to find out the average speed? We have to find out the average speed and average velocity. So the average speed is nothing but the total distance by total time taken. Average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time taken to cover the distance by the object. So which is nothing but 50 meter distance divided by the time taken, which is nothing but 50 seconds. So the total average speed is nothing but 1 meter per second. SI unit is meter per second. So what is the total value? 1 meter per second. And we have to find out the average velocity. Average velocity is nothing but displacement divided by time taken by the object. We should know what is displacement. Displacement is nothing but shortest distance covered by the object. As the object remains in the same place after 50 seconds, the displacement by the object done by the object is 0. So 0 by 50, which is nothing but your 0 meter per seconds. So average speed, no need to consider the direction, what is the total distance covered by the object. But average velocity, you have to consider the direction also. It's a vector quantity. So back and forth means he went from one corner to another corner, then from another corner to the same point. So the total displacement done by the object is 0. So 0 by 50 is nothing but 0 meter per seconds, which is your average velocity. Thank you.